be talking about new year, new me. Me. Definitely me. New year, new me. I want to lose weight. Anyway, I like sweets and I'm trying to get alternatives. So let's figure out how to do that. I just bought this, y'all. I just tasted it. It's so good. This is the Premier Protein. And I wish I was getting paid to tell y'all about this. This tastes so good. White chocolate raspberry, y'all. Anyway, I normally don't like Premier Protein unless it's like mixed with something because it has like an aftertaste. This one, you could drink it. You can drink it straight through. As long as it's ice cold, you could drink this one without having to add something to it. But besides the point, I like iced coffee in the morning. I know I can't get nothing with no sugar and make it all delicious like I normally have it because obviously it's a problem. But we gonna make an iced coffee and we gonna call this white chocolate raspberry iced coffee today. This is really good by itself, but I'm gonna try it with the iced coffee. Now the coffee that I use is the Sumatra. I think that's called Sumatra. Okay. And we're using the Premier Protein. It says indulge white chocolate raspberry. If y'all can see that. And I already used like my Keurig. So this is already cold. I already put this in the refrigerator. It's ready to be poured into my cup. So let's see how this tastes, y'all. Let's make a low calorie, low carb, low sugar iced coffee. Y'all ready? Let's go. And you know what, y'all? I forgot to tell y'all. This Premier Protein has 30 grams of protein, so I need 120 a day. This gonna help out. 170 calories, only 3 grams of sugar, and only 5 carbs. It'll be worth it, because I'm finna fill this cup up with some iced coffee. First thing first, I'm gonna use my cup, my little customized cup with my name on it, Rosalind. My sister bought this for me. I'm so happy about it, and it's my favorite color, pink. Use what you want to use, y'all. And I'm gonna put this in first because I need to know how much coffee I need. But this has to be in there. This has to, so we're gonna pour this first. And I wonder how much is gonna be in here. Okay, so pretty much the Premier Protein, it like filled it up this much. So that's a good amount. That's like when you're trying to make your iced coffee at home with your creamer. It's like this much creamer and then this much coffee and then the ice. Y'all, this is so good. I want to just get all of it out. I don't want to leave none in the carton. Okay, and then we're gonna use our coffee. Like I said, we use the Starbucks coffee. Use your favorite. Starbucks is my favorite. I just like the taste of Starbucks coffee. It is just so freaking good. And I don't know how much I would need because I haven't put no ice in it yet, but let's wing it. I'm gonna kind of put it equivalent. You know what? That should be enough. I think I have it to here. So this right here is the protein. This right here is the coffee. Let's add ice. I have these big cubes because my iced coffee, they melt real fast. So I decided to use the big cubes today. So let's see how many it's gonna take. I don't want to splash them. I'm gonna cover it up. Woo! I'm scared. Let me get out the way. I'm gonna mess up my gray today. Hold on. I didn't know I was gonna get so many cubes in, y'all. So far, I think I'm about to get 4 cubes in. Let's see. If I can get 5 in, even better. You know, the colder, the better. I can't wait to try this. It better be good too. Don't be wasting my protein shake on coffee if it ain't gonna be good. I cannot believe we got 6 big cubes in there, y'all. Look at that. I don't want to spill it, but if y'all can see that, look at that. These big cubes may be the thing. I've been using the little ice cubes. I used to buy the bags of ice, but I was like, you know what? We're going back to old school. We're using ice trays. Because them bags of ice, number one, it's not convenient because you got to go to the store and get it. But it gets costly. Ice thing went from 99 cents to like $3 now. I ain't got it. Anyway, let's stir it up, y'all. Make sure everything is proportionate. Ooh. I cannot wait to try this. Let me smell it. It smells like coffee and raspberry. Please be good. Please be good. Please be good. Just know if this one's not good, the Premier Protein Caramel, superior. It tastes like caramel macchiato. But this is like a nice little, you know, change just in case you get tired of drinking the same thing. I hope this one's better. I kind of don't hope it's better because this one's $1 more, but I hope it's tasty. You know, when you go on a diet, you always get a sweet tooth because you restrict it. I need to lose 60 pounds. Be good. tasty. Hold on. That raspberry and chocolate is coming through, y'all. Whoa. Whoa. Hold on. Okay, this one is good. Don't get me wrong. This one is delicious. It's really good, actually. I like the caramel better, only because I'm a caramel macchiato girl. I like it better. But when I be getting tired of it, I'll definitely be including this. Ooh, I wonder, can I mix both of them together? It'd be like white chocolate, raspberry, caramel. We done thought of something? We done thought of something. I don't have no caramel yet. I got the caramel coming. It's supposed to come to my porch today. We might try that out. We might get us like a little mixture going and then just add more coffee to it. But, oh, that's 60 grams of protein, huh? Even better. But anyway, this is good. It tastes like white chocolate raspberry. If you like raspberry, you'll love this. It's light. It's not too heavy. It do not have an aftertaste at all. I'm happy. I can go about my day, y'all. This was so easy. I don't know. Whoever I seen buy this, thank you. Thank you, because I didn't even know this existed. I'm so happy. But yeah, if you have a sweet tooth, get your Premier Protein, your favorite flavor. I ain't gonna judge. Caramel's mine. That's my second favorite flavor. Put it in your iced coffee and just walk around the day not feeling restricted. Because the hardest thing about Azad is being restricted. This make you feel normal again. I got my protein in. I'm not eating sweets. I think I can handle this. I think I can do this every day. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you know every time I post. I love y'all so much for watching. I'll talk to y'all later. And don't forget to try this out. This is good. Try them all out. Try different flavors. Let me know if it was good in a different flavor, because I want to try that too. Bye, y'all.